Hello, good afternoon, praise the Lord. Myself Daniel Peter. Over the next video, this is all about the aircraft parts, aircraft system, airframe system, how it works. Okay, this is full description about the airframe systems. Now, first, may I likely to tell you about the constructions used in airframe constructions. There were Pratt and Truss type, Warren Truss type, then monocoque. But Pratt and Truss type, Warren Truss type were used in older World War II aircrafts. Then comes the monocoque aircraft construction. But in the case of monocoque construction, this advantage is the weight increased, but the strength is less. Then comes the semi-monocoque. Now this advanced technology we are using in the aircraft construction is the semi-monocoque. About the semi-monocoque construction, I will say you about on the next later topic. Now it's a description about the airframe system, how it works. Now this entire airframe structure nowadays we use is semi-monocoque construction. Why the semi-monocoque construction is used? Because it increases the strength and it reduces the weight. Okay. Now this part, entire portion, is called as a fuselage of the aircraft. This is called as a fuselage of the aircraft. This is called as the rudder of the aircraft. Rudder. Fuselage, where the passenger, cabins, pilots sit over here. Okay. This is the rudder. Rudder causes the yawing movement of the aircraft. Yawing, that is turning motion of the aircraft. Okay. Causes the yawing motion of the aircraft. Now this is the aileron. Aileron causes the rolling motion of the aircraft. Aileron rolls. There are two ailerons on the left wing and right wing. Left aileron, right aileron. Now aileron works on the differential mechanism. Like if one aileron raises up, if one aileron goes down, what happens is the raising up aileron, the lowering down aileron will gain the angle of attack and it will roll towards the upper aileron. Now for example, if your left aileron is up and your right aileron is down, if your left aileron is up and right aileron is down, the aircraft will roll towards the left. Why? Because the right aileron will go down and it will increase the camber and it will cause the increase in the angle of attack over the right wing, and this right wing will roll towards the left side. Okay. Same in the case of when the right aileron is up and left aileron is down, the aircraft will roll towards the right. Okay. Now this is about the aileron system. Aileron consists of two types, in the outboard aileron and inboard aileron. Okay. Inboard aileron is mostly used in high speed flights. Now this is called as a spoiler. This upper panel, this is called as a spoiler. Spoiler purpose is to reduce the lift and to help in braking action. It helps in the braking action. Spoiler. There are two spoilers: flight spoiler, ground spoiler. Okay. Now this is the landing gear. Landing gear, there are types of many types of landing gear: tandem type, bungee type, and conventional landing gear type, and tricycle landing gear. This example is called as a tricycle landing gear. The classification of landing gear, another video I will explain it. Now this about the landing gear, it has a V-shaped mechanism. This is called as a torque link. The purpose of torque link is to prevent the extension of the upper cylinder and the lower cylinder in the case of landing gear. But means it should be in the limits. V-shaped mechanism, that is purpose of torque link, to prevent the extension and the retraction of in limits. It should be in the limits. Now like in the case of new aircraft like Boeing 777, it uses a system called as a semi-lever gear. Now the semi-lever gear is like it is having a tricycle, three wheels. I will explain you in the next video. Now this is known as a nose. knows where the weather radar is installed. Where the weather radar is installed. So this is the general description about the aircraft, general description about the landing gears and system. Now in explain in detail in the next video. Thank you so much.